In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return online purchases at a Walmart store. Easy steps. We'll walk through the Walmart app to set up your return, then finish the process quickly at the store so you can get your refund without any hassle. Start by opening the Walmart app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen and connected to the internet so everything loads properly. If you're already signed in, you're ready to go. If not, sign into your account so the app can pull up your orders. From the home screen, tap Account. This is where you'll find your orders, settings, and returns. In the account menu, look for Purchase History. This section lists your recent purchases and is the easiest way to start a return for something you bought online. If you don't immediately see the order, tap View All to expand the full list. You can scroll or use search to locate the right item, and it's helpful to check the order date and return window shown on that page. Select the item you want to return to open its order details. This ensures you're returning the exact product from the correct order. Next, tap Start a Return. The app will guide you through a short flow designed to make the drop-off at the store fast and accurate. When you're asked how you'd like to return it, choose Return to Store. This option creates a digital code an associate can scan, which means no printing is required. Then select a reason for the return and submit. Pick the option that best matches your situation. Accurate information helps the system process your refund correctly. After submitting, you'll receive a return barcode, also called a mobile return code, in the app and usually by email as well. You can find it again by opening the order details if you need to. Take a quick screenshot or add it to your mobile wallet so it's handy when you're at the counter, especially if reception is spotty. Now visit your nearest Walmart store. Head to the customer service or returns desk during their service hours. Bring the item in its original condition, along with any accessories or packaging you still have, because that can speed up processing and help with eligibility. When it's your turn, show your return barcode to the associate. They'll scan it, look over the item, and complete the transaction. Refunds typically go back to your original payment method, and timing can vary depending on your bank. If anything needs clarification, the associate can review the return details tied to your barcode. And that's it. Using the app to set up the return and the barcode to check in at the store makes the whole process quick and smooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you complete your Walmart return with confidence.